How to create drop-down options in Google Sheets. Here we go. Step 1. Go to your Google Sheet. Step 2. Click Data. Step 3. Adding the drop-down to Google Sheets requires adding a data validation. Select Data Validation. Step 5. Highlight the cells and click OK. Step 6. Google gives a few options on how to select your list for your drop-down. Click Criteria and select your preferred method. We'll show you how to select from a list of items. Step 7. Enter the items in the list separated by a comma. Step 8. If you want to require that someone selects an item from your list, select Reject Input. If you'd like the list to be more of a suggestion and allow them to still add their own items, select Show Warning. Step 9. Click Save. Step 10. Check it out. You now have a list of items in Google Sheets. Select the drop-down icon to test your list. Step 11. Great work, Party Popper.